utire cukuru ta ukoro riu hinga wa primary na secondary
ona aria me ukoro magitiguo riu thiini wa primary na secondary ri the candidates
candidates ya 8 na form 4 na 6
na ya keeps they are the new entrants on the block. It's a new catch of candidates. Yes,
they are pioneer class ya CBC.
They are the pioneer class of the junior high school card, you know, I remember the junior high school. Oh yes. And of course we go to kuna new kana maondo maiga nona. Things have changed over the years. No more what experiences ya kasi ya dhukuru na ya mahiga. You see, this is a long holiday and it's the end of the year.
Holiday ya meri tinini
ana mzeza ndio yule kana mukaratri andikana keo kana tutakula sana. Basasi usitupeleke usagu hatutakula sana. Back in our days, closing day, a mixture of fortunes.
Muthenya wa muhingo.
Yes. One ni wakorogia na the physical beat. Kwa ndo mako mafanganire kara.
Mundu wa ofendire agikwira nawe.
Yes.
Gahinga nawe.
Yes. Ndu hapa aithoka ukanukuo wega. Kana ukegitia na gengi mukiinuka. You shield yourself.
Ukegita kumana na thu.
Yes. Wako ni uthiurukitwo miena na miena. Nokona akwihitiri makona nimekwo varanu.
Marora kikosi kirawe na kio gya security.
Yes.
Makona they can't dare.
Magacekera ku thara ine mayakatia.
Makarite.
But there was also the performance bit. Na thiko ici thiko icio ndocio ona ni mwitikirie ki watho.
Uriku.
Undu wigie riri gucokerithio kirari.
Uhoro ucio thirikari ni yaninire. Gucokerithagia mwana kirathi.
Sisi ithu twaiga thukuru back in the days. Of course this week yako iga ni guona mwalimu oka na kindu gitagwo the tabulation ya result and the positions in the class. Yes. Nayo kaka muthomera
uria muperformete na positions.
Yes.
Uma position 1 ginya wa mtilo.
Yes. Why thomera wega number 1 Masi Muthoni makofi.
Na number 1 na thiri number 1 to 3 kai gire mwako o mukimanya the usual suspect.
No, you were aware there was nothing new. Ona wenye matia tuka surprise. Ona message na yoguo imwe yene ija turi message na yoguo tariri litari ni na be mwe litari uyu number 3 ni okemwe uguo no kari gwatiriri mundu rai number 1 ri atuka number 3 akarira na wewe number 68 ukarigo ni nini nasumbua yuri nini
na wewe ndorarira.
You're not even on a doing emotion.
Position is 68.
No, I have to me to kana baigire na kora we na bake
na bemwe.
Sasa ni nini? If we were to trade the places, I would give all I have to be in his possession. That's okay, alile.
Mathina matiana ine.
Atina nakinya igana mathabu. Na wewe na 07 na wewe kimodo ona andu matingimenya. Wewe sio 7 yaku na ndo matingimenya.
Yes, si leo tokoretia muno.
Ina 26. Paracent. Composition yo guthaga filo tu gaku horeire.
Na ndore waga toro.
Karimu uyu atine uni atuika na baige
ajie kurira.
Yes. Ni mwalimu ru atangatha gwo gathoma. Agoka. He handu akinyaga akajia kuneana karatathi akunjite yo. Aria marihite. Ya. Sika. Kwenda uko. No ya handu akinyaga hako hacoretwo na bairo ya rendi. Kuma wakauga atiriri. The following that I am going to mention are repeaters.
Ngoro yaku igatuba.
Ukamenya ndona igua hario iguru kauga oi.
Na nĩ akinya rendira-inĩ.
Kwanja class 7. You see the other classes you would somehow live with it. No ni class 7 ni that time. Ndona igua gukuki.
Ndũrathiĩ 8.
Ndũrathiĩ 8. no ngoro ikihi ukamenya wega next year ukiruo
na we nginya no wajitie kwihariria psychologically watigia mwaka umwe
uthie kuria ugo Egypt ukangetio
nginya no wajitie gucokaniria material ma waka cube
yes nginya no wajitie kuthondeka hiu tubuku hia ethe tuko twacirana inaia yes atoka igwa the following shall remain in class 7 led by the usual culprit Jidi Afukaruku Mimi Mudhoni kazi yako ni kusiasa na vijana huku soma hapa mpaka na watoto wenu
ndio mwana wanyu
Jairo Kang'ethe hata deski mutabadilisha hapo unakaa ndio utakaa
mwaka ingine msima
mwaka whole year sasa na masomo huko na ndio haya mwana wanyu ra 6
no mutigeta na miaka yo 3
Odujo no atuma otu fe ngoro
oru muno
ukiyaga ukarigwo ukire wake
na uno wadoma maregeire githomo
yes no menye uwa repeat gang yaku maumanirwo hau
mwathi amuranitwo piu
ya na pronouncement ya governor uria wikuo tithio uyu urariho ni
ariganira Dakora mura no na gang yaku
yes
weru mwathi amutiganite uguo
exactly wai karago guo ugathie mucie urageire ki le report vamu ni aha
ino makumere mareiro
Kang'ethe ni gucokerio uracokerithirio mwarimu aranyoneire kĩrathi gitũ kĩa A andũ atuteni nĩo maracokerie no B maragwo kuma wandu na ite mwarimu gũtuonera kĩrathi kĩa B andũ othe atuteni maragĩthire na mbere wewe na 210 out of 700 no karigo mo tondu he ungi nake uraguthie igana riake ria 45 iguru ria 700 na ndari kou
no ararera thungura ciake na ngoko cia mucunu
eure mwafosa gwa repeater ciothe muthondeke riu katero kanyu ni gucokio drawing board
kune guthario kwaja mwi 7 ruru ni muonane ona nyene muona nginya physically ni munene hire
yes
na muroka murakorerwo ni twana
wengenye so ke go mwalimu uga sit next to your brother moja duetago ogu kana kaambia kiiguo hau no authaira nginya underhand means ke herio hau
na kwati ko karigireirwo
yes gaso ke oka okia dike wazo ke diori yake kuudha max hawa ne sibling rivalry ya jeini ukamena nginya mwana wani wewe look at you are repeater your brother here is doing better than you
Dilago wajesha brother yako mahesabu
wewe Dilago so your big brother mutu bogorara huku nagatane emotions necessity arora aguo
wote ndo kiko
no asia na cia thiko ici they are very brittle yes and sensitive ndo
kiko
Nebo no akora mwalimu we repeater mwahingura ri aka notice record yaku ri we ni we na record thukuru ya repeater tondu ndwagite miaka eno
3
extra irio tungatete githomo I was your prefect at least a boost ego yaku
ukiona yo nawe uri okuo
Weta go repeater. Nginya arimu nginya arutwo makuribaga esa repeater.
Ndatagio ndiari njega.
Ndiari njega. Yes. Nona yongi repeatire. Wambatĩrĩrie max ũthiĩ ũthongete kĩũndũ kĩu nakĩo nĩ gĩa gũcokagia riri
mũno
mũno ũragĩa 210 out of 700 wanjie gũtha 350
wambatĩte
kwanja mwaka ũcio ũgĩthira ũkorwo wĩna 4 ona please no headmaster nĩ agwĩta barĩri. Yes. Mary Wagesi CSR repeater. Well, she repeated she was doing 210 this year. She has really improved. Her results are very, very admirable. And she scored 456 marks. Mupigieni makofi mazuri. There is another one. Dirago, you repeated and dropped. Mwaka mzima umekuwa tu ukikula maperasa wenyewe. Repeat ile sio kiogo na wewe ndio ugati kiothuruani.
Mure ugani agutembea.
Repeat ile na 210. Uguthe mwaka ungi umwe extra sio kioguthe 194. Songa ruai.
Na mwe wajana